Workout.
Your mom stopped showing everyone your foot.
Yeah, I was like, let me take a picture of you, but he wouldn't let me.
Yes, someone.
You're so handsome. Bring me the ball. Bring me the ball. That one? Is that the one? Bring me the ball. He doesn't know which one.
He doesn't know what to do.
This is like surreal. It doesn't feel high up. It feels like it's beneath us.
Yeah.
Big shit. I didn't plan for that. Hey!
Let me see. Cute. Hello.
Hi!
Thanks for waiting.
Thank you! Oh my god, they're so cute with their floppy ears. We made it.
So where are we going next, guys?
Huh?
Where are we going next?
Like after this?
What national park?
Let's do either the Mount Rainier or the Smoky Mountains.
I've always wanted to go to Tennessee because of Nashville.
We made it. Look at this. Oh my gosh, can I touch you? Oh my god, you're so sweet. He looks like dog. How can they be so mean? They look so cute and sweet. My best friend's turning 30. So we decorated the hotel room for her.
Oh my god. Tell me shit.
You're 30!
Well, not yet. We still got a few more days. Yes.
Yay! Oh, fuck. I'm sorry. I can't control this. How do you do it? There we go. Happy birthday, dear Tristan. Happy birthday to you. Yay! I haven't done much vlogging lately, but I'm in Vegas right now. We're here for Cody's range day, which is tomorrow. We came a day early just to like hang out, do some shopping, and just have fun. But yeah, I'll try to record as much as I can. But prior to this, I did go to the Grand Canyon with some friends and did some hiking. So it was really nice. I want to show you guys this view though. So pretty. So yeah, I'm excited to get this trip going and all the things. I hope everyone's having a great day. I just finished a workout and then getting ready, so gonna go meet everyone now. Go on, go on, go on, go on. Say hi, Chris. Hi, Chris. Oh my God!
Go range.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move.
Nope, hang on. You gotta train. Go one more step down. One more. It's a machine gun. Keep going. Dump it. Another?
Yeah. That was great.
You did good.
Thank you.
Great job. You're giving me another one? Stand by! One more. I got you. Drop the ammo can, pick up the rifle.
Safety off.
Rifle off safe.
Perfect.
There you go.
2 shots per. You're high. Yep. So lay him a little bit lower. We need a red dot. That's what we need. Is a red dot.
Like, I mean, he goes into the ballistics and don't like, like weird, choreal expenditure type stuff. Like, what you. So, you can dive as much as you want to go, or you can buy yourself a cheap,
Oh yeah. You remember how to do this? Got the triggers?
Hold your spot.
Just run until the fire stops.
You're good. Excuse me for a second.
Oh, yes, sir.
Small.
Trigger, aim it low, because it shoots high. And once the fireball starts, it's
He's throwing the whole party.
No, you can't. I'm
so much fun.
Yeah, it's good to see you.
I took the day off from my normal job to come here.
Did you, man, Cody?
You're crazy. You're so crazy.
Put him to sleep.
Is he asleep?
Johnny's
He's like
dead.
lights out.
You killed him.
He's broken.
You did. You broke him. You broke him.
Why are you so sad? Not yours, Doug.
The way he just said, "Pop."
So